guys, this is Dave Marshall with the RC Air Marshall YouTube channel, and we are here with what should have been the flight review of the Dynam P-47D Thunderbolt, but things did not go quite as planned. Before we get to the video footage, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification icon so you're always reminded when we have new videos up. And let's check out what happened with the Dynam P-47D.
Maybe. Or he might be. Whoa!
Whoa! Oh, that hurts. Nice jump, though. Here's the ugly part. I was getting ready to catch it. Yeah. Oh, dang.
How bad is it?
I think the net saved it.
Net save it. Net save it.
Yay, net.
You jumped to the right. You did a nice hurdle.
But the net did save most of the plane. Like the fuselage is in good shape. Let's see how bad the wing is broken. It looks like the block came off totally, so.
Probably because of my engineering skills. Yep. I probably did that.
Oh no, that had nothing to do with you. Alright guys, so there it is. I mean, as you can see, the flight did not go quite as planned. All day, that day when we were filming and doing everything, the wind was kind of all over the place. We, as some of you guys have seen in the videos I've done in the past, our field is kind of in a fishbowl of trees. So a lot of times, the wind will just shoot straight down the pipe and, you can take off right to left, left to right, whatever the case may be. And, you really don't have any issues. And all day, I'd had probably 5-6 flights that were all successful on the FW190 and on my turbo timber. I'd had a lot of successful flights, and for whatever reason, and all of those flights I was taking off in a left to right pattern. For whatever reason, on that particular flight with the P-47, I decided to look at the wind socks. Everything would suggest that it was fine. And it didn't look like there was a lot of wind. And unfortunately, as it was coming up, I was compensating with right rudder as always, but I just got caught with a crosswind and it carried the plane off to the left. These Dynam planes are awfully light to begin with. And it just started carrying to the left. We had some people standing over there, and my instinct was to put it into the fence as opposed to to trying to fly over their heads. I mean, I could have goosed the throttle and buzzed the crowd, but it just wasn't worth it for safety purposes. As soon as I crossed over the fence, I cut the throttle and just let it sit wherever it was going to land. The damage was pretty limited. I did scuff up the tip of the left wing. So if you go back and you watch the footage, you'll see that the left wing was against the post. The plastic catch fence actually absorbed most of the shock of the impact. So the damage was very limited. It was very easily repaired. The left wing, kind of got bent down a little bit. I was able to use some hot water to massage that back out straight. So all the damage has been repaired and we're ready to fly again. Unfortunately, due to current global circumstances, our field is closed right now. So expect to see the full flight review coming here in the future. And right now it's impossible to say exactly when that's going to be. But, we're still going to have other content coming up. I've got, some other things that we're going to be able to get some good footage on right here in the house. So stay tuned for that. If you're interested in the Dynam line of warbirds and other great aircraft, be sure to check out our friends at Bitgo Hobby. They are fantastic. And if you're interested in the P-47, check out the description below. We're going to have links for Bitgo Hobby and for the P-47 down in the description. Guys, thanks for tuning in. I always appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and ring that notification icon so you're always made aware when we post new videos. Thank you guys for watching again. Have a great day, and we will see you soon.